based on me just having you answer some of those, it's obvious we did not get a few of them. This would be the time when you'd say, since we have a test tomorrow, and the pretest we took is incredibly very similar as tomorrow's, I probably need to hone my math skills by sharpening and asking the teacher how some of these problems work. In other words, this is your time to ask questions about problems. Really, we are going to sit here and say there are no questions. Mrs. Christ, I just want you to witness and testify to this, that we corrected our pretest. I would say at least 7 incorrect answers were given. And nobody in the entire 5th grade class had any questions about why they got so wrong. So when their parents come back to me and say, why did my child do so poorly on the test, I can say, I don't know. I begged and pleaded for questions on any of this and got nothing but blank looks all the way around. Riv?
What was number 3?
Oh, good, they asked what was. Number 3 was line segment AB. Braden?
Number 18.
The answer or how to do it?
How to do it.
There's a question. Number 18. This is the right question, huh? Number 18. Number 18. Anybody? What would be your first step in number 18? Again, and I would, I don't mark you wrong for this, but I certainly, when you do the test, and you have hours and hours to do a test that takes you whatever, 10 minutes, please, please, please copy the problem on your test paper. I have you do it on your assignment for a reason, is because it really helps you. The problem when you don't copy your problem on your paper is, yeah, you know to do this part first, but then you do that part and then you forget that there was another part on it because you're looking at a different place for it. So the first thing you have to do here is what, yeah?
Add 3/4.
Yeah, which is pretty simple. You probably don't even really necessarily need to write this, but 2 plus 3/4 is 2 3/4. But then remember, this is a minus sign now, so it's 2 minus 2 3/4. Now, unfortunately, here's probably where you went wrong. You can't take 3/4 away from nothing. There's no fraction there. So, Brady, to fix this problem, I would do what? Just like a normal subtraction, when I can't subtract, I have to
Borrow.
Right. What do I borrow from?
4.
It becomes a
3.
And then what fraction do I put over there and why?
4/4.
What tells me to put 4/4 there? Yeah. Whatever this number is down on the bottom, you want to make a fraction that's the same as 1 up here. 1 is what any number. But now you can do the subtracting. 3/4 from 4/4 is 1/4, and 2 from 3 is 1. And always, always, 5th grade, when you get to this point of any fraction problem, you have to say, can I reduce that fraction? And in this case, you can't reduce 1/4, but very frequently you can reduce them. And if you don't reduce them, you're not correct. Well, that was one question. Sam.
On 7A, it couldn't be 16 or 12 because they don't go into.
Let's look and see. Hold on a second. Let me look this up. Find the greatest common factor of 24 and 32. I don't think there's more than one greatest common factor of anything, but I will try. Let's see. 24, my factors are 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, and I didn't leave myself enough room, 6 and 4. Factors of 32 are 1 and 32, 2 times 16, 3, 4 times 8, and that's it, right, times 6. So the greatest one they have in common is 8. Did you say 2? Did you say 7 would be a common factor?
No. I said, would it be 16 or 12 because it doesn't go into both of them?
Yes, right. 16 goes into 32, but it doesn't go into 24, and 12 goes into 12, but it doesn't go into 34. Sorry to really belabor your one question, but I'm really trying to milk all this time for all it's worth. And then if you didn't get A right, you're certainly not going to get B right because it says to reduce it using that. So you would divide them both by 8, and you'd end up with 3/4. Not sure how you get a half for that because I thought that's what somebody said. Now, Ellie Norquist, see, it just takes a little prodding. Yes, ma'am. Number 12. Number 12. Number 12. Don't worry, I can find number 12. How many people got number 12 wrong? Oh, look at that. And Ellie, you were the one that asked. How many people wrote 12 for an answer? Once again, let me reiterate my exponent phrase. This is not 3 times 4. Otherwise, we would write 3 times 4. This number here tells you how many of these 4s get multiplied together. There are 3 4s multiplied together. 3 of them. The exponent tells you how many bases get multiplied together. 4 times 4 times 4 is fortunately not 12 because 4 times 4 itself is 16. Then you have to multiply that by 4. And 16 times 4 is 64. See, now there's a great question. See, I think we maybe got another one right on the math test. Everyone wrong on your math test, by the way, lowers your grade. Well, a third of a grade, I guess it is. Right. 1 wrong is an A minus, 2 is a B plus, 3 is a B minus. Actually, some of it's more than 2/3 of the grade. Kevin Wills.
What's 15?
What was the answer to 15? 15 was 162,740. 162,740. Ephraim.
What was the answer for 13 and 14?
What's that?
What was the answer for 13 and 14?
What do you have for 13?
$3.16.
Yes, sir. And for 14?
160.
That is correct. Both of them. So saying that's the end of the deal. Where did I got it? Perfect.